Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, बच्चे.
Good evening, everyone. Gopal.
Hi.
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 Oh.
Very nice.
Hi, Abhiraj. Hi, Shanok. Vihan.
Hi. Shanmugh.
सब अपने वीडियोस तो ऑन करो.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I can see Gopal today. Hi, Pinky. Gopal.
Hi. Hi, Harsha. So good to see you.
So good. Yeah, so nice to see you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for conducting these programs.
Most
I
welcome.
just saw
Dear.
Men's post and then came to know about it.
Yes. Okay. Who is there? चलो cameras on करो. Hi. Okay, Prachi will.
चलो बच्चा कंपनी सब लोग रेडी हैं. आज हमें 4 एक्टिविटीज लेना है फॉर लोकोमोटर स्किल्स. ठीक है, तो हम शुरू करेंगे जंपिंग से. ओके, अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं आई विल शो यू अ वीडियो. और सबके पास पिलोज है ना? एवरीबडी हैज पिलोज एंड बॉटल्स. सबके पास हैं?
छोटे वाले.
हाँ, तो पिलोज को थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्टेंस पे लगाना है फ्लोर पे. ठीक है, एंड मैं एक जंपिंग का वीडियो शो करूंगी, आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंगली करना है. पिलोज को जमीन पे थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखिए. 3 और मैक्सिमम 4 पिलोज. ठीक है, मैं वीडियो शेयर करती हूँ, बट जस्ट आप वो लगाइए तब तक. यस, उत्कर्ष, षणमुख. हाँ, वैभव, आई कैन सी यू आर डूइंग. विहान, क्या चलो सब लोग अपने पिलोज और बॉटल सब लोग अरेंज करेंगे फ्लोर पे, थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रख के. ओके, और फिर मैं आई विल शो यू व्हाट हैज टू बी डन. हर्षाली, just let me know if the video is visible. Okay.
Yes.
दिख रहा है वीडियो?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट करती हूँ. आप लोग एक बार हर्डल्स के बजाय यू नीड टू हैव पिलोज. ठीक है, तो आपको पिलोज पे जंप करना है. ठीक है, मैं एक बार वीडियो दिखाती हूँ एंड देन आई विल ऑल्सो सी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. ओके, तो आपको एक एक पिलो रखना है और एक एक पिलो के बीच में जंप करना है ऐसे. एक मिनट आप. ओके, लेट मी सी गाइस. सबने पिलोज रखे हैं? यस, षणमुख, आई कैन सी. वैभव, कम ऑन. वैभव, साई. येस, दैट्स गुड. चलो, सबने रखा है. साई, वॉकिंग नाही करायचंय, जंपिंग करायचंय. ओके, एंड आपको पिलोज के ऊपर नहीं जंप करना है, आपको पिलोज एज हर्डल यूज करना है. ठीक है, तो पिलोज के ऊपर से जंप करना है. ओके, एंड ट्राई टू जंप बोथ लेग्स एट द सेम टाइम. अगर नहीं होता है तो 1 by 1 किया तो भी चलेगा, but try to jump with both legs. Yes, Gopal. हाँ, yes, that's good. Yes, that's good, beta. Yes, both legs at the same time. Yes, that's nice. हाँ, very good. हाँ, अनन्या, आप अच्छा कर रहे हो. Yes, that's good. Come on, Sai, उत्कर्ष. Yes, Try not to use any doormats because slip होने का खतरा रहता है. Yes, Arna, come on, show me how you are doing. Arna, Subir.
Ma'am, I'm also doing.
Yes, very nice. Yes, Shanmukh, you are doing a good job. Very good. Vaibhav, dikhao. Yes, that's very good. Yes, that's right. Gopal, बहुत अच्छा. So try to have a little wider barrier so that थोड़ा सा jump करने के लिए easy होगा. And don't use anything that can like doormat or anything that is slippery. Okay. So अगर आपके पास barriers हैं तो आप barriers भी use कर सकते हैं. But pillows या cushions or anything that is easy and handy can be used. Yes, very good, Arna. Very nice. Try to join both the legs and try to, yes, very nice. तो दोनों legs को आप एक साथ करके jump कर सकते हैं. Yes, that's very good. Try not to wear socks, बेटा, because socks से slip हो सकते हैं. Okay, yes. थोड़ा थोड़ा distance pillows में रखें ताकि maybe if the child is not able to do, so it will be easier for him. Yeah. ठीक है. तो jumping is the first activity. Now the second thing what I will show you is, हाँ, अभी आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जो bottles आपने लगाई हैं, bottles हैं, similarly आप pillows को हटा के, yes, you can remove the pillows. आप bottles लगाएं एक लाइन में, 3 or 4 bottles. ओके, मैं दिखाती हूँ. वैसे आपको एक लाइन में 3 या 4 बॉटल्स आप लगा सकते हैं. Yes, Ananya, very nice. Arna, very good. Subir. Arya, Swaste, can I see your videos, please? Yes.
Is this okay, ma'am? The presentation of the bottles?
Yes, 1 second. Who is it? Swastik?
This is Swastik's mom. Is this presentation?
हाँ मैम, थोड़ा सा ना पास रखिए. See, because now we are not jumping over the hurdles. हम सिर्फ एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पे हम जंप कर रहे हैं. So we are just showing. तो आप बहुत दूर भी नहीं और बहुत पास भी नहीं. You can just show you. हाँ.
अच्छा.
So this is just about.
Can I see your bottles position, ma'am? So I'll get a relative idea.
हाँ. 1 second. Is it visible? 1 second. No?
Yeah, ma'am, the screen is visible with multiple pictures. Which one should I enlarge it? Swastik, move better.
Just close this one.
No. प्राची तुझे files दिसतात.
हर्षाली मैम, I love the language you use ना. समझ कुछ नहीं आता but I love it.
Yes, नहीं, it's like just Prachi, I was telling what we are seeing
मजा
on
आता है
screen.
सुनने में ना. I'm Karuna, हर्षाली, I'm Karuna.
Yes. We use Marathi sometimes.
अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. समझ कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा but अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ, no problem.
यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Screen.
ये अभी ठीक है मैम? The spacing?
1 minute. हाँ, let me just.
हाँ जी.
ना मेरा screen sharing में ना ये आ नहीं रहा है. I don't know why.
stand there, Sophie.
Sorry, let me just.
Ma'am, please share screen, ma'am. I can't understand what to do.
Yeah, 1 second. Actually, ना मेरा शायद screen freeze हो गया था. I was not able to.
Yes, yes. Just wait for. Just
one
I mean,
second.
she's not able to share some technical thing.
What is
Yeah.
वो ना वीडियो नहीं शेयर हो रहा है, सिर्फ मेरा स्क्रीन ही शेयर हो रहा है. That is the problem.
click.
अभी दिख रहा है.
We can see files, lot of files.
A bottle and disco.
I think your network is bit low, so.
Is it? Actually, मुझे ना यहाँ से मुझे दिख रहा है वीडियो, but I don't know. 1 second.
I can see Arna, Shanmugh, Vaibhav already jumping on from bottle. They're so excited. Arya is jumping on pillow. Kavish is with Lazy 8. Everybody is so excited. I can see Shanmugh. Okay, he's waiting.
I don't have any ball
अरे यार.
bottle. I don't have.
No problem, Kavish. You can pillow or anything.
अरे यार, I don't know why this is. I'm not able to share the video itself.
Oh, if you can send me on WhatsApp quickly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's okay, ma'am. If can you tell
बता
me
भी दो.
if the Arna is doing it, what the kids should do, then we can make them. We can ask them to do accordingly.
Let me just show you.
Yes, you can tell them what to do exactly.
Okay, ma'am. So Arna is the right one, right?
1 minute, Prachi.
आपको एक्चुअली क्या करना है? Let me just.
Yeah.
You have to jump from one place, from one bottle to another. For example, if I'm standing over here,
Okay.
just near the first bottle, तो मुझे second bottle की तरफ jump करना है. So, with this, you have to jump from one bottle to the second to the third.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is not coming, ma'am.
Yeah, Prachi can't see your video.
From this bottle to this bottle. Jump.
Prachi video is off. Hello, Prachi.
Yeah, 1 second here. I don't know. Is it visible now?
No.
Problem. Let me exit first.
Excuse me, ma'am. Bottles से कैसे jump करना है? We have to keep it in a line and then. Hello.
Yes. You lost the connection. Prachi. See, Arna is doing. I think. See, Arna. Very nice, beta. Yeah, we can see Arna. Rightly doing, yeah.
I just start yet.
Yes, start.
Yes. Good, good. No problem. Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good, Anna. Yes, good girl, good girl. So everybody can jump. Yeah, Gopal is also doing good. I can see Gopal.
Good, Anna.
Yes. Yeah, Gopal is doing nice. Very nice, Gopal.
Gopal, very good.
Yeah. And who is jumping from bottle? Just a minute. Yeah.
Sai is good in now.
हर्षाली मैम ऐसे ही करना है क्या? स्वास्तिक जैसे कर रहा है अभी स्वास्तिक?
Just one.
हाँ जी मैम.
Jump again.
Jump.
Yes, Swastik. Yes, yes, yes. Nice.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Actually, Prachi lost the connection. She's coming.
Hello guys, I'm back, but maybe I might not be able to share. 1 second. I'm on my phone. So I will show you what I wanted to show.
Prachi, camera is off. तो guys थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आज. Some network problem. So sorry.
This better.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, Kavesh, we'll come to that. Lazy 8 पे हम आएंगे. रुक जाओ. प्राची मैम का थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है. We'll do it.
Actually, can you give me the?
Yeah.
I don't have the sharing permissions.
Yes, you can now. Can you share now, Prachi?
Yeah, I'm just trying that only.
Style there.
Yes, Kavish?
Style.
What? Style?
Style, my brother Style there.
No, I can't see. I can see everybody is what are doing. Okay, Arya is jumping.
Ma'am, I have done 20 times.
Wow. Now take a break, have some water, and then come back. Lot many times you have done. Must be.
Hello?
Prachi.
Hello? Echo.
Number. Devasis Style there.
Today Deva is not there. I can't see Deva today. Sai is there.
Sai?
There. Yes, Prachi.
Yes, Harshali, sorry, I logged out of phone because na phone वर sharing होत नव्हतं. So
No problem.
I,
Yes, you are back. We can see you.
yeah, but I don't know. One second, I will try again. Can you please enable sharing for me?
Oh, okay. Yes, yes.
I'm very sorry, guys. Today there is some other technical hiccup because of which I am not able to show you.
Yes, now we can see.
Visible? Yes. Is it visible, guys? Any better?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes. Okay. So instead of the cones, you can have bottles arranged accordingly. And चलो बच्चे company. I think सबने already कर ही लिया है.
Already everybody has done lot of jumping.
Jumping.
I don't have water bottle.
No problem.
Water bottles. You can use.
Ball. I don't have.
Yeah. आप
No problem, Kavish. No problem.
I have water bottle.
Yes, you can use water bottles. You can have water bottles and arrange them accordingly in a line and then jump accordingly. Instead of the barriers, you can jump one by one, one step at a time. Yeah.
How
Okay,
many?
Now
how many?
let me see.
How many?
1 second. Now is the interesting part.
How many bottle?
4 or 5, Kavish. 4 or 5 is enough.
I think we can move to next activity. Many are done with it.
Yeah, I will just show you one last one. I don't know if it's visible. 1 second. I think there is some problem with my sharing only. That is why it's not visible now.
No. Not visible.
Look.
Okay, fine. I will just tell you. What you can do is, सबको frog jumping तो आता है ना? Frog jumping. Yes. So everyone can do frog jumping. Okay. जो bottles arrange किए हैं, frog jump करेंगे सब लोग.
Yes.
Okay. And अभी मैं बाकी activities आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. I will just show you. आप लोग चलिए माझा व्हिडिओ दिसतोय का?
Yes, yes. दिसता है.
Okay. So okay. कौन फ्रॉग जंपिंग कर रहा है? यस, स्वस्तिक, आई कैन सी फ्रॉग जंपिंग. बॉटल के ऊपर से नहीं, यू कैन अब हाँ ऐसे हर्डल्स के ऊपर से भी कर सकते हो या फिर रिमूव द हर्डल्स, जस्ट डू नॉर्मल जंपिंग.
Jumping.
यस,
Jumping.
जस्ट शो मी जंपिंग.
Okay.
यस, गुड कविश. ठीक है. ओके. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? बॉटल्स या कुशन्स हैं तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज स्लाइडिंग करेंगे क्रॉस. हम यहाँ पे खड़े हैं. एक्चुअली माय वीडियो इज विजिबल बेटर.
Yes, visible, Prachi.
Okay, so we can start. This is called as sliding. जो sports activities में normally sliding use करते हैं. So start from one place and just slide your leg across. आपको सिर्फ sliding करना है, दूसरे leg को सिर्फ slide करना है. Okay. Bottles are only for a reference so that the child can move from one side to another without getting across. तो आप बॉटल्स लगा सकते हैं या कोन्स लगा सकते हैं, डिस्क लगा सकते हैं, व्हाटएवर, या फिर एनी अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट कैन बी यूजफुल. चलो बच्चे कंपनी स्लाइडिंग करते हैं. दिस इज लास्ट एंड देन वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी बिकॉज आई थिंक यस षणमुख, आई कैन सी यू डूइंग इट. यस, दूसरे पैर को सिर्फ लिफ्ट नहीं करना है, सिर्फ स्लाइड करना है. Just pull your the other leg. Just slide the other leg. Yes. उठा के नहीं. Just
Yeah, actually he is not.
slide the leg across.
I'm just trying.
Yeah, वो थोड़ा सा tricky है because the child might actually want to lift the leg instead of sliding.
Yes. I'll try that.
Come on. We want to see everyone is doing or not. Vaibhav, I could see, but we're
I don't know. अभी शायद थोड़ा
Yes.
video हो सकता है.
yes,
हाँ.
video we can see. Yes.
Yes. So slide करना है. Slide अगर कर सकते हैं. Yes. So you can arrange bottles and. Yes, Vaibhav, I can see. Swastik is also doing very good. Arya is doing very nice. So, yes, Gopal is also doing. Yes, you can do all these things with anything that is available at home. Yes, Swastik, nice job. You can go from one end of the room to the other end of the room, sliding. Again, come back.
I'm doing.
Yes, Utkarsh, very nice. Very nice. Yes, that's very good.
अविराज बच्चा आप नहीं कर रहे हो?
Yes, Sai, wow, very nice. Very nice.
I'm doing. Thanks. I'm doing.
Yes, Arya, come on, show me. You just have to slide, bache. Just slide from one place to the other. Just pull the other leg. Slide from one place to other. Yes, that's very nice. That's good, Arya. So what you can do is just slide your other leg from, and you can do it both the sides, from left to right and right to left. Okay.
Wow, Jonna is enjoying. Very nice, very nice.
I'm doing.
Yes, yeah, I think Vaibhav is also enjoying. I can see him. He's doing very nice, Vaibhav. Very good.
Amna is doing. Oh, Amna is
Yes.
jumping.
Arna is also doing very good.
I'm doing.
Yes, that's very nice. Actually,
I'm doing.
it is almost like a dancing step ना जैसे करते हैं यहाँ से यहाँ यहाँ से यहाँ, so you can do it. ठीक है?
I'm doing.
Yes. Okay.
Great.
Yes.
Joanna, if you can turn on your camera, we can see. Can we? Good. Enjoying. Utkarsh.
And wait, I will show you another. The last thing I will just show you before we leave is our traditional hopping. जो हम hopping करते हैं normally लंगड़ी जिसको बोलते हैं लंगड़ी. Okay, hop on one leg. Try to have you can just try it with the most comfortable position. No hurry, no force. Okay, just try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you can hop on one leg. Preferably start with the right leg first and then the left leg, because right leg में ज़्यादा comfortably हो सकता है. Left leg में थोड़ा difficult होता है. Not impossible, but try with the right leg first because that is the easiest. Yes. So again, arrange the bottles. Do jumping from one bottle to the last bottle. Come back. Yes. Yes, Vaibhav, very nice. Yes, very good. Try not to have any socks or any slippery material. Okay. While yes, Vihan, very nice. Yes, Vastik, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. हाँ, Shanmukh, show me. Try to hop on one leg. Try to hop on one leg. Anyone that a child is comfortable. Yes. Initially, what you can do is try to hop try to jump where you are. Try to hop, try to balance yourself on one leg. And if you are comfortable, एक बार जगह पे hop करके देखेंगे. If you are comfortable enough, then you can jump to the next position like this. Okay, and yes, और फिर सब लोग मम्मी के साथ गेम भी खेल सकते हैं, हॉपिंग का गेम। यस अभिराज, वेरी गुड। सब लोग हॉपिंग हॉपिंग और हॉपिंग की रेस लगा सकते हैं घर में। यस साई, वेरी नाइस। वाह, साई आणि प्रतीक्षा, बोथ ऑफ देम आर डूइंग वेरी गुड। उत्कर्ष, बहुत अच्छे। यस यस, वेरी गुड गाइस, वेरी नाइस। चलो, सो आप लोग अभी और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे घर में, एंड अगेन वी विल सी यू ऑन सैटरडे इफ एवरीबडी हैज प्रैक्टिस्ड। तो एंड डू शेयर योर वीडियोज इफ यू हैव एनी वीडियोज। अगर आप और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो प्लीज शेयर योर वीडियोज इन द ग्रुप, ठीक है?
Don't know jump. I don't know this
Hopping.
hopping.
Okay, you can hop on one leg. You can stand and put your other leg in the air. Try to balance yourself on one leg.
That
Okay,
is
that is called as hopping. See how Vaibhav is doing. Yes.
like
You can actually
that.
hold. Yes, that's good, Vaibhav. You can actually hold the other leg if you're not able to do it. Try to hold your body posture. Okay. And try to hop from one position to another. That is one of the very important movement skill. Shanmukh's mom, let him do it at his own comfortable space, because this is a slightly difficult and a more advanced skill. So if he's not comfortable, let him jump at one place. Sorry, let him hop at one place, and then you can actually think of going to the next one. Okay, guys. So
Yeah.
let's start with the presentation.
This
One second, beta.
this one.
One second. I'm sorry.
This one.
This one we will do it on. We will do it next week, Kavish, because I think we are already late now. So I will not be able to take it today. Okay. I'm really sorry. We will take it next week, beta. Okay. So everybody can see my presentation. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. And I'm really sorry. Very, very sorry. आज technical glitch की वजह से we are delayed by around 15 minutes. Okay. So हमारा first जो locomotor skills का activity था, skipping is something that is remaining, but I think we will do it next week. Okay, because again next week also we are going to have some more gross motor skills, so skipping we will do next week. Okay, now I will show you to the next game. Okay, so this is a compound word game. Harshali, I'm not able to see. One second, can I have?
We can see your screen.
Yeah. No. I want to see all the children actually. Okay. So, yeah. So, bache, see the way we have to play this game is, okay, we have to make words. Okay. जैसे अभी अगर if I give you the word butter, then you have to make butterfly, या अगर है butter toast, so you can make your own words. Okay. या फिर if I give you the word snow, so snow से what all words can you make? You can make snowman, you can make snowflake. Okay. And if you can think of any other word like snowfall, so these 2-3 words you can make. Okay. सबको sorry, सबको गेम समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Swastik, Sai, you understood the game? Yes. So from butter you can make the word butterfly.
No falls.
Snow से you can make snowfall. Snow से you can make snowman. Snow से you can make snowflake. Okay.
We can make a snowball.
Yeah, a snowball also, correct. So what I'm going to do is, अभी आपको क्या करना है, if anybody wants to
Nagi?
answer, then they have to raise their hand. Okay, only if you
Please.
raise your hand, then only you get to answer. Okay, shall we start? Come on, you have to raise your hand if you want to answer. Harshali, can you please unmute everyone? Sorry, mute everyone.
Yes, I muted everyone. Now raise hand करेंगे तो we'll.
Yes. Okay. So the first word is tooth. Come on, whosoever knows, please raise your hand. What are the words that you can make with the word tooth?
Yes, Sarvadnya.
Yes.
Toothwash.
बोलो.
Toothwash. Toothbrush. Toothpaste.
Yes,
Toothwash.
that's very good. That's right.
Great, great.
Okay. Water. Come on, raise your hands. Those who want to answer.
We can give two to three people ये देऊ शकतो आपण chance.
It's okay. You can,
Yeah.
yeah. You can make as many words as you want.
Yeah, so एक सर्वज्ञ ने बोला, so Sai, you can add it to it tooth के लिए.
Come on, yeah, Sai.
Water bottle.
Yes, that's good. And yeah, Utkarsh, you want to answer?
Waterproof.
Waterproof.
Not waterproof.
Yes, what?
Okay. And anything else?
Waterproof.
Waterproof, man.
Water spray.
Not water spray. Something that falls down. What do you call it?
Waterfall.
Yes. Waterfall. Okay, let's move to the next. This is a tricky one, guys. Come on. Raise your hands.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Yes, and
Anmol saying watermelon. Yes, and Anaya.
yes.
Raindrops.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Yes.
Goat.
And something that you wear in the rain.
Raincoat.
Yes. Anyone? Any more?
Yes, Anaya, Sarvadnya, Anmol.
हो गया?
Rains. कौन बोलना चाहेगा? अनया, सर्वज्ञ, अनमोल,
Anyone?
आर्या. Yes, Swastik, raindrop. Yes.
Yes, I was about to say raindrop. That's very good. Okay, so let's move to the next one.
Moon.
Come on, moon. What will you make? Yes, who wants to answer? Kavish. Anybody else?
Yes, Kavish.
Rain. Moon.
Moonlight.
Yes.
Moonlight.
Yes,
Moonlight. Yes.
Anything else? Anyone?
Anyone? Raise your hand. Moon से क्या बनेगा? Moon. आर्या.
Sky moon.
What is that?
What is this?
What बेटा? फिर से बोलो बेटा.
Say again. Sky moon, you're talking? Sky moon.
Sky moon.
Try again.
Sky moon is not a word. Maybe full moon you can say.
Full moon.
That's not a
Maybe.
word, but you can make moonlight is the right word actually. Okay, let's move ahead. Yes, food. So what all you can make with food?
Yes, Swastik, Sarvatnya, Utkarsh, food.
Football. And what else? What is it? Yeah, I'm not able to hear.
Yes, Anaya said football. And yes, Sahil, you want to say something?
Yes.
What?
Football.
Yes, football.
Football.
Okay. Sai, okay. Just lower your hand once you have answered, beta, so that हमें समझ में आए नेक्स्ट हम कौन ले रहे हैं.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone else apart from football? Yes. Kavish, you know anything else apart from football? Something that you wear on your foot. What do you call it? Yes.
Footwear.
Yes. Wear. And something that you walk on. Something that you walk on is called as.
Footwear.
No, somebody said footwear is right. Another word somebody said.
Footwear.
No. After footwear, somebody said.
Footstep.
Okay, footsteps, and I'm looking for another word maybe. Anybody knows footpath? Okay, so we made 4 words with the word foot. Okay, the next word is cup. Okay, Ananya, yeah.
Cupcakes. Birthday.
Okay.
Cupcake.
Okay, anything else apart from cupcake?
Kick up.
Not cup. Something cup something.
Cup.
Okay, who's that? Sai, you want to answer?
Ananya,
Yes.
cupboard.
Cup.
Sai, you're mute, beta.
Sai,
Coffee.
What is that? Sorry.
Coffee. Cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. Coffee.
Cup coffee. I'm not able to sorry here.
Cupboard.
Cupboard, that's right. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Lady.
Lady's finger.
Yes, lady finger. And anything else?
Ladybug.
Yes, very nice.
Ladybug.
Anyone, any more?
yes, Sai want to say something.
Yeah,
Sahil,
Ladybug.
ladybug.
Okay, yes. Let's move to the next.
Star.
Star, it's a star. Next word is star. Who will say
Star.
Starfish.
Twinkle star.
Okay, who is saying starfish? Okay.
Yes, starfish.
Now, anybody else want to try this? Okay, Subir is also saying starfish. Anyone else? Okay, next. Any, okay. Star War. Okay, Arna says Star War.
Star Wars. Okay.
Yeah. And Sahil, you want to say something on star?
Star goal, star goal. Star goal, goal, star goal.
Star Goal.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a movie name. No, channel. Star goal.
The Star Gold.
Okay, Star Gold. Okay. Okay, many replies in Star Cookie. Swastik is saying, Vaibhav is saying, Star. Okay, Star Trek, Starbucks, Star War. Yes, very good.
Yes, very nice. Star Fall. You can make so many words with star.
Yeah.
Star Wars. Okay, guys. Next one. Table.
Next word is table. क्या क्या बनेगा टेबल से?
Yes, Arna, tell me.
Utkarsh want to say some? Yeah, tell me, Utkarsh.
Standing table. Dining table.
Dining table.
Dining
Okay.
table.
And anybody wants to try?
Utkarsh.
Tableware, Joyna. Table fan, Ananya said. Good.
Very good. Very nice.
Yes, Sarvadnya.
Table spoon. Table spoon.
Okay, table spoon.
Tablespoon. Yes, that's right, actually.
Table time.
Table tag. Okay, Sai. Table cloth.
Yes, tablecloth.
Good. Swastik tablet.
Ah, yes.
टेबल से बनाना है बच्चास. Oh, table tennis. Abhiraj is saying.
Yes, that's very good.
Very nice, Abhiraj.
Table chair.
Table chair, Sai.
Table chair. Okay, guys, let's move. Post.
Next word is post.
Post.
Yeah.
Post से क्या बनाओगे?
Table. Post.
Post.
अभी टेबल हो गया. अभी पोस्ट पे चलो. पोस्ट ऑफिस. अनन्या से.
Yes.
Check post ma'am. Check post.
Check post. Yes. Abhiraj is saying. Oh, postcard, lamp post, postpone. Ananya, Swastik.
Phone.
Wow.
Post.
Oh, that's very nice.
पोस्ट ऑफिस भी बोला है अनन्या ने. ग्रेट. पोस्टमैन, आरना इज सेइंग.
Yeah, that's correct.
Postman.
Subir is saying post office. Okay, I'll unmute. But you will talk one by one, guys. If everyone is like shouting, so I try to unmute. But let's move to next word, and then one by one you will say.
Okay, the next word is very simple.
Sun.
Come on.
Bolo sunlight.
One more time.
Sunshine.
So many words.
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. Yes. Sunflower. Yes.
Sunflower.
Sunday. Yes.
Flower. Yes.
Sunday. Sunset on
One by one.
Sunday.
One by one.
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay.
Sunday.
Sunday. Yes. Just
Sunrise.
Day. Sunday. Suntan.
Sunset.
Suntan.
Sunset.
sunset. Yes. Very good.
Sunrise.
Yes.
Sunset.
Sunpark.
Sunset. Swastik is saying sun.
Sunrise. Sunrise. Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunrise.
And something
Silk,
to
ma'am.
apply.
Yes, yes.
What do you call it?
Sunrise.
Yes, sunrise. Utkarsh is saying sunbath.
Sun bath. Yes.
Yes. Sunlight, sunlight, sunshine. Vaibhav is saying sunshine. Vihan is saying
Sun
Sunday.
bath. Sunny.
Okay, Anmol and Vihan is saying sunflower. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, guys, so many words. See? Okay, now the next word is pop.
Popcorn.
Yes, popcorn. What else?
Popcorn. Yes. Now who wants to say? मैंने फिर से सबको म्यूट किया है. Just one by one. One by one. Yeah, pop. You want to say? Yes, Arya. Arya Srivastava.
Popcorn.
Ah, that's nice.
Popular.
Palomitas.
Popular.
Popular. Popsicle. Yes, that you can make. Of course, it's not a compound word. But yeah. Popular.
Corn.
Pop. Poppy.
Yes, popcorn. Yes,
Popstar.
Ananya, popcorn.
Popstar.
Popstar.
Yes, Kavish, popstar. Yes.
Upstar.
Yes, popstar. Next को क्या है? Okay, next word is straw.
Straw.
Strawberry.
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 Strawberry. Anything else?
Strawberry.
और क्या बनेगा बताओ?
Strawberry बनता है वो.
Strawberry.
Strawberry हो गया. Now what next?
स्ट्रॉबेरी के अलावा straw you can use for drinking.
Yes, Sahil, you think? Arya.
Close, close, close.
Straw.
Throwback. Throwback.
Straw bag. Okay.
Strawberry, strawberry.
Okay, I have to follow that. What is that? Okay. I'm not able to hear clearly, beta. Sorry. One minute.
Next.
Okay, next word is grass.
Grasshopper. Green grass.
Grasshopper.
No, 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 not everybody will talk. No, no, no. One by one, I'll call it a name. Yes, Sarvadnya was saying something. Grass.
Grasshopper.
Okay, grasshopper.
Then
Sarvadnya काय म्हणतो?
yes, somebody has written grasshopper. Sorry, lemongrass. Lemongrass is also right.
Green grass.
Lemongrass. Swastik is saying lemongrass.
Cadastry.
Yes, Sai.
Grassland.
Grassland.
Green grass.
Grassland. Yes, Abhiraj said grassland.
Yes.
That's good. And somebody said green grass. Yes, that's also very right.
Yes, Subir. Very nice, Subir. Vaibhav saying lemongrass.
Actually, wheat grass bhi hota hai, if anybody knows.
Green tree.
Green tree nahi hai.
Grass.
Green grass.
Green
Green
leaf.
tree.
Green leaf.
Green grass.
Green tree.
Okay, guys, I think
Green leaf.
Pillar. Next word. Next word.
Next one. Pillar.
Green.
Ashok pillar.
Ashok.
Ashoka pillar. Yes,
Ashoka pillar.
Abhiraj. Very nice. Great, great. Caterpillar.
Pillar post.
Say.
Pillar post.
Pillar. Yes.
Pillar post.
Pillar post.
Yes, yes, Kavish. Very good.
Very good, Kavish.
Vaibhav is saying caterpillar. Anybody else? You want to try? Bella, come on, come on. Yes, Benjamin.
Actually, there is one word, but it contains this word. Little tricky. Anybody? Yes, Abhiraj. Come on, tell me.
I know only Ashok pillar.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine, guys.
तो प्राची दीदी बताएगी क्या नाम क्या है वो पिलर का ट्रिकी वर्ड.
What I think of is capillary. That contains the word pillar. Capillar. Actually, caterpillar or pillar post, all these are little tricky words which we normally don't use. So you can actually think of these words जो थोड़ा सा tricky हैं. But you can of course use same same word for different. जैसे hot है, so you can say hot chocolate, you can say hot bath, or what else? Hot dog, something with hot. You can make so many words.
Hot butter.
Yes, hot butter, anything. Hot vada pav. So similarly, you can combine two words and make a new word which is more different from the other word. Yeah. Okay, guys. Harshali, do we have time?
Yes, yes, we can extend to 5 to 10. Yes, no problem.
One pizza.
Okay. Oh, okay. Guys, what I thought was today we will take does everybody know Little Red Riding Hood ki story?
Little Riding Hood.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Does everyone know
Yes.
Little Red Riding Hood?
I know. Yes, I know it.
Okay, so Abhi, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the pictures and you guys are going to tell me the story.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so whosoever wants to start, you have to raise your hand one by one.
Can I?
I will just show you the pictures. I will just show you the picture. Okay, and you have to start with the story. Okay, whosoever wants to go, you have to raise your hand. So this is a very popular, very easy story, guys. So whosoever wants to start, you have to answer. Okay, Binayan, you want to start? Come on, unmute yourself.
Who wants to start? Please raise your hand. I can't see.
Yes, please raise your hands in Zoom. I don't know if this. I see Abhiraj, I see Kavish.
Okay, Abhiraj, you want to start? Say.
Abhiraj wants to.
Okay, now you can unmute.
Okay, ma'am. Once upon a time, there was a little girl which who wears red cloth. Her name is Little Red Riding Hood. She lived with her mom
Yes, very nice.
and lived happily. One day, her mom said to her, "Honey, your grandma is sick, so you can take food for her and go and meet her." Then Red Riding Hood said, "Okay, mother." Then mother said, "But don't talk to strangers." Okay.
Okay, Abhiraj. let's wait at this point and let's give the next turn to somebody else. Okay, I will just start. So, anybody who wants to continue, please raise your hand. Abhiraj, wonderful. Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. Very good, bacha. Very nice. Now next.
Now, who is next? Who wants to go after this? I see Kavish. Anybody else, guys? Anybody else wants to
Okay.
continue the story?
Yes, Kavish.
Yes, then.
Red Riding Hood see grandmother
Okay, and then.
talking a wolf.
No, she's near her house. Then what happens?
A wolf came inside the house.
No. Where is she? Where is she
Taking a-
going? Come on. Where is she
Flower,
going?
taking a flower.
Okay. And but she's in the
Woods.
where is? Yes, she's in the woods. Where is she going?
Grandmother house.
Yes, that's very good. Yes, that's very nice. Okay, and then what happens? Oh, what does she have in her bag? Does anybody want to tell? Come on, Kavish, let us. Yes, I think Sahil. Sahil, you want to answer that? You want to continue? Unmute yourself, please.
Yeah. Cupcake bay, orange juice bay, and fruit. In her cake.
Okay, yes. Okay, so she's carrying cupcakes, fruits, and juice, and she's going to her sick grandma.
Yeah, grandma house.
Okay, and who she sees on the way? Oh my God, who is that? Who is that? Come on, anybody? Yeah, anybody who wants to go with her, Binyain? Anybody, guys? Come on, raise your hands. Okay. Who wants to go? Kavish, you want to tell?
Met the wolf.
Oh my God, bad wolf. Yeah, and then what does the wolf say to the Little Red Riding Hood?
Where are we going? Where are you going?
Oh, okay. And?
Going grandma house.
Oh my God. And then wolf, then what did wolf think about it? Oh.
Going grandma house.
But the wolf wanted to
catch her, eat her.
Eat her. Yes, the wolf wanted to eat her. But before that, he thought he will go to
grandmother house.
Yes, that's very right. Yes, that's very good, Kavish. Okay, anybody, guys? Anybody wants to continue? Anybody? Come on,
Yes.
come on.
Abhiraj, Vithur, कौन कहना
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, guys.
Then she talked to Wolf that her grandma was sick, so I'm going to her with this food. Then Wolf is so happy. First I will eat her grandma, then I eat her.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, and then what happens, Abhiraj?
And then he goes to her grandma's house. He knocked the door, but the grandma thinks Red Riding Hood came. She said, "Come in, the door is open." When he comes, he eat her grandmother,
Oh.
and then she will
Threaten.
eat her. Then he will take her objects what she wear, and
Oh.
then when Red Riding Hood came,
Hmm.
then the wolf said what grandma said in her grandma's voice. Then
Oh, but what is she wearing? What is the grandma wearing? What is the wolf in the form of grandma? What is she wearing? Her?
she's in the bed.
Oh, yes, she's sleeping in
Yes,
the bed and
and-
she's wearing.
And when she come, she saw her grandma, the wolf. She said, "Grandma, you have big ears."
Yeah.
So he said that I can hear you clearly. And then she said, Grandma, you have big teeth. Yes, I have big teeth because that I can eat you.
Yes, that's very nice, Abhiraj. Very, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very,
Yeah,
very good.
so nice, very nice.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, who wants to continue? Come on, guys. This is very good. Yes, come on. Anybody else, guys? Nobody else wants to try?
Super, Abhiraj.
Yes. Sorry, I'm not able to hear. Who is that? Harshali?
Yes, yes.
I'm not able to hear anything.
Nobody is saying. I mean, anybody want to continue?
Yeah, it's the last part. Come on, Kavish, you want to do it?
Come on, last children. Okay,
Yes,
Kavish.
last children. Come on. Yes, then what happens?
Eat her. Go out. Can man come?
No. But before that, what happens? Did the wolf eat Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes. Woodcutter came, take Red Riding Hood.
Oh, no, but before that, she tried to run.
Run.
Yes, but the wolf caught her and she gobbled her up.
Eat her.
Yes, he ate her.
Red Riding Hood. Woodcutter came, cut Red Riding Hood mother. Old girl.
And then what does he do? He
Cut abuelita, grandmother, cut the grandma. Yeah.
Yeah, so the woodcutter cuts the wolf tummy and the grandma comes out. Yes?
Yes.
Correct. And the wolf is
The story,
killed. Yes. Very nice, guys. Very nice.
Very good, very
Very
good,
good.
Kavish,
Abhiraj,
Abhiraj, and
wonderful.
everybody.
I think wonderful reciting of the story. I really loved your story. So, guys, if you like more stories, next time we will have some more stories which are popular, so that you guys can actually tell us some more stories. Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle.
Okay.
Okay.
Jump.
Okay.
Sure. Then I think we can wrap up session for today.
Yeah, that's what I was able to say. I was
Yeah.
able to say. Okay, guys, sorry for today. And yeah, we will continue all these fun activities even on Saturday. Saturday, don't miss the session. We are going to have some very creative activities.
Cooking class.
Yes, cooking class on Saturday, and it's with biscuits. It's with crackjack biscuits. I'm going to post the ingredients by today.
I have
Yeah, so we will do it with crackjack biscuits with mayonnaise, or you can use peanut butter if you.
I buy it.
Yes, buy crackjack biscuits. Crackjack biscuits and vegetables. I will tell you.
Saturday is cooking class.
I leave my phone, my mother's phone, Liz.
Yes, so you can order crackjack.
My
And
mother
mayonnaise.
Liz.
Or you can use peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, you can use that also.
My mother.
Yeah, you can ask your mother to order biscuits for you. Okay. Hello, guys. And yeah, Saturday we'll also have some fun activity with disposable glasses. Okay, so I'll post all of that in the group today. So you can have some disposable glasses. You can have some biscuits and everything ready.
What's the bottle?
Not bottles, but we will have some racing with disposable glasses. We will make towers, and we'll play some games with glasses. Yeah.
Glasses?
Yes, we will play some tower games with disposable glasses, and we'll see some more fun games with glasses. Okay. Hello, guys. It's time to say goodbye for today.
Bye bye.
Okay. Hello. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Arna.
Bye.
Sahil. I hope everyone enjoyed today. Okay.
Benjamin. Bye bye.
Hello. Bye bye.
Bye Arna, Sahil. Bye Swasti.
Bye bye. Yes.
Bye everyone.
Bye.